Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Anko 3 rectangular glass oven with lids. So we're going to open it and see what it actually looks like and what is the quality of this ovenware. Now there are 3 in here. You can see one is 1.4 liter. Then you got the medium one is 2.0 liter and 2.7 liter. It is oven safe, so you can use an oven, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. So basically, all you need for your kitchen. And you can get this one from Kmart Australia for $19. So only $19. You can get this whole package for 3, which is fairly cheap because it is glassware, not plastic. So this is the medium size one. Now it's quite fairly heavy. It's funny with the glass on this one, it feels kind of like plastic, but it's actually glass. So I suppose it's quite well built. It's quite heavy, very heavy, and yeah. So you can use it in oven as well, and microwave or this dishwasher. Obviously, you wouldn't want to put the lid in the oven. And it's got a cover at the top here. And let's have a look at the quality of the glass. It's not that bad, it's quite nice. The glass is quite nice, you can see through it. It's quite thick as well. So there are some groove right here, I think, for the lid. Right here, just around here, there is some kind of like a groove for the lids to slide in. And yeah, so that is the medium size. Then we got a smaller size. This is the smallest size, 1.4. So I'll go back to this one in a minute. So we're just going to go to the largest one, 2.7 liter. So that is all in the box. And I'm just going to move the box out of the way, just so I can put this on a table and we have an idea of how big it is. And just open it like that, and just gonna put the rubber seal. There is a rubber seal around the lid here. It is a good way to do it, because when it's get dirty you can just pull out the seal like this, and then you can just clean it, clean all the dirt underneath the lid. So this is the rubber seal. That's the lid right there. It's got this flap on the side, so you can close it down. And we can just open up the lid. Now this is the largest one, 2.7 liters. Right here you can see my hand, how big it is. It's really good, quite cheap. And this is the small one, so this is the smallest one. So I'm just going to open it so you can see how big it is as well. I'm going to place it inside here. So this is almost the same height as the other one. And so that's it. That is your Kmart. You can buy it from Kmart for $19. Only $19. You got a pack of 3. And they're very good quality as well, I must say. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.